Because, oh, okay, yes, please.
Okay, 3 questions. Coach, the match has ended with a draw. Would love to hear your comment on the game after a draw 1-1.
Well, you know, after a big team, and I more mean for my players, you must to be constant. This is tough game here, because they lose last year against Mamango before winning Yanga 3-0 here. But I winning. I speak with you sincerely and honestly. We have losing our team in the first half because you have playing bad, very bad in first half. And we are very happy that we have scored in the end of the first half. But in second half, a good reaction from us. But we lose one penalty. You see, you lose something. But we haven't respect our discipline, our values. To be concentrated, to be combative, to be confident, and to have good communication. Because some players in this game don't be at 100%.
Coach, playing with a team that is most of the time playing at a low block.
Yes.
How tough is it? Because you are getting difficulties in opening the defense.
Yes.
A lot of your attacks.
This is tactically, we make our best, you see, because the block is compact in the middle. We go by wingers sometimes, but we have sometimes space to give to assist from what we have scoring with Silla. It's good passes from Faisal, and also when you have like this, we don't make mistakes, technical mistakes. We make bad crosses. If you have good crosses, we can score. Also, we have also bad shoots because I think that our players, because we haven't more time to rest before Simba, was all of the teams was tired.
Okay, Coach, you have created a lot of chances during the match, but your team seems not to convert them to goals. What does it mean to you, according to your training?
Yes, according to you, firstly to work because we work hard and we work very strong in the goal, in the last third of the field. But today we are not lucky. It's a football. Sometimes we are not lucky. You see the big teams now in Europe, like Manchester City, like they draw. Barcelona they draw 4-4 against Atletico de Madrid in the semi-final. Sometimes you have chance to score, but sometimes it's football. You have time. We lose one penalty. Yes. If we score penalty,
Coach, you played with a false 9 in the first half. Didn't you see your team struggling in the first half almost in the...
No, not this. They are not concentrated. They think that we are Azam. We have making draw to Simba, and we must change the mentality of all African players. Okay, we haven't mentality, professional mentality. We must change our mentality to be professional. Last game finish. We must to concentrate to be strong against when team is now under us. We must to have this concentration. Thank you.
Last question.
Please, no, please. I am very tired. Thank you.